congratulations on being a 100 percentiler.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling being 100 percentiler?
I'm exhilarated. It's obviously something that will stay with me for the rest of my life. So it's a great feeling. It's an achievement.
So what is this 100 percentile has put on your shoulders? Is there something that you're feeling about it?
I need to convert it and then after that do something in life which will do justice to what I have achieved, right? There's a lot that I can do. This is an indication that I'm capable of doing much more later in life. So I hope I can do something which will help people.
A little bit about your family's contribution towards your excellence.
My family has really been helpful all through my life to everything that I have achieved. There are some specific instances which really helped me. So for example, my father brought home this poster when I was in class 4th which said the one who wins is the one who thinks he or she can. And that is one motto I have always lived by. It has always given me the confidence to aim higher and higher and achieve whatever I wanted to achieve. So in addition to that, throughout my family has supported my studies as well as my extracurricular interests, and they've always been there for me. So family is a great support always.
Neha, when you're preparing for CAT, I'm sure each one of us go through ups and downs. I'm sure you two must have a couple of issues and problems, and you must have faced the challenges head on. Would you like to share something about it?
Sure, sir. Actually, initially, my calculation speed was not fast enough. I wasn't able to complete the paper on time. So for that, what I started doing was, I looked up some Vedic mathematics problems online, some videos on YouTube, and I started doing that. And I changed my way of adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing, and I realized that basically we have to find out our weaknesses and solve them. So this is what I did.
Okay. Anything specific you do for your English?
Actually, I've been reading since I was a kid, so my English was strong, like right from the beginning. Para jumble questions were there, which were a problem to me initially. So I just practiced those questions and I worked on them.
Just coming to PDP Personalized, Neha, how personalized has this program been for you, PDP Personalized at CL? If there are any examples you could specify, it would be wonderful.
I found it very personalized and very helpful. So, for example, mock interviews are being conducted by the founders of Career Launcher, right? So there's a lot of help being given, very specific to my personality, my strengths and weaknesses. And there are psychology tests and all conducted to find out my personality and how it can be improved and how I can portray it in a positive light in the interviews. So it's really preparing me well for converting the calls.
Anything specific you would like to share from the first interview? You've been through 2 interviews now.
Right.
The journey you mentally or in terms of what journey you've taken since those first interview and second interview that happened today?
Right. So I got feedback in the first interview that I need to work on my chemical basic concepts as well as a bit on my current affairs and all. And the first paragraph, the introduction, tell us something about yourself part. So I worked on that and I felt that my introduction was much better today. I've again got feedback specific to how I performed today, how I can take it further. So it has been very personalized and it's really helpful. I'm sure I'll be able to convert some good college.
I'm sure you will.
Thank you.
What did you find good about CL, if at all you found?
I have only been part of this PDP Personalized, right? So this how personalized it is was is something that I've already explained, right? It was very helpful. Before that as well, the Career Launcher mocks I found were very close to the real CAT paper difficulty in terms of the difficulty level. So that helped me prepare for the day, for the D-Day, right? So these are the 2 things which I found were very helpful.
Advices to CAT 2015 aspirants to excel.
Definitely, sir. I think the 2 most important things for CAT and for any paper in fact are focus and confidence. So first, every CAT aspirant should believe in themselves, their strengths and their ability to convert their weaknesses into strength. and second, they should maintain that focus. So I really suggest you don't start off with a lot of enthusiasm and then let it die down in between or towards the end. You start off with enthusiasm and end it with the same enthusiasm that you have started with, and I'm sure you'll be able to convert, you'll be able to get a good percentile in CAT. All the best.
Neha, how important is the second phase of your mission, I Am Ahmedabad?
Sir, I think it is very important. So CAT percentile is just 50%, right? The other 50% is what we do in the interview and the essay. And preparing for that right now is my main mission and goal. I have to convert the calls, and PDP Personalize is really helping me in preparing for these things. So I would suggest everybody should be very serious about the interviews and GD aspect of it.
Thank you, Neha.
Thank you, sir.
Have a wonderful journey. See you at I Am Ahmedabad.
Thank you, sir.